loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cat Carmelest, or just call me Cat. So we are just gonna jump into this video because I ain't had time to do no intro, you feel me? Alright, so I use my hardhead spray to spray down my edges to get them out of the way, or my baby hairs, to get them out of the way so I can do this ball cap method. Now, I don't usually do this ball cap method. I usually just put my hair in a ponytail, just throw a wig on. But I wanted my hair to be laid for the holidays. Alright, so I'm putting the ear holes in. I don't usually do this either, but it is very, very convenient. And it's just easier to keep the area around the ears in place while you're adhering the cap to your head. And if you see him moving throughout the video, he is asleep. He usually moves around in his sleep. He'll smile, he'll laugh, he'll move his head side to side, but he is not up. So I'm just going to use the hard head. I'm just checking to make sure my hair's out the way. I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I'm watching Brave. My face all in the TV. But anyway, so I'm getting my hard head. Sorry if y'all hear him in the background. But I'm using my hard head spray again. And I'm going to go ahead and just powder that on my edges. Not my edges, but my hairline and a little bit in front of it. I don't like to spray all on my forehead like some people be doing. Hey, you okay? Yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to use this blow dryer on warm temperature. I think I used it on high. And he didn't wake up, by the way. I don't know why he sleeps through hair dryer noises. He loves it. But I'm just going to blow dry it until it gets hard. And then I'm going to apply my foundation powder. It's not really my foundation powder, but it's by MAC. It's my Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I'm just going to spread that all over my cap before I cut it off. Just want to make sure when I put the wig on, it looks like my skin is seamlessly showing through the lace front, so you don't see a line of demarcation. So you want to make sure you put a powder on that's as close to your skin tone as possible. And the glue that I'm using right now is the Bold Hold Lace Glue. Now, I've been using this glue for about 2 years now, and I absolutely love the glue. I feel like, don't fix what ain't broken. So me out there buying all these different glues just to try it out is just not, I'm not about to waste money doing that. So I'm just going to stick with my Bold Hold. And I put on, I used 2 layers of this glue. And I'm just gonna, as you can see, the video is kind of sped up now. I sped up because it was taking too long. I'm gonna go ahead and pin my hair back. Now, after I did this video, I will do another one, or I'll post another picture of me altering my edges, my hairline on the wig itself. I plucked it some more because I was afraid to, because there's clips. There's hair clips inside of my wig. And I didn't want it showing through if I plucked too much, but I went ahead and did it anyway. So I'll post a picture like right here in the corner of how my edges on the hairline looks now that I edited, or not edited, but fixed it a little bit more. I'd be so afraid to take hair away from my hairline, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. It just be disappearing so damn fast. Now I'm just cutting the front part of my hair, putting in some baby hairs, and I didn't put too many baby hairs in the front, but now I have severe, like, as you can see from the picture, there are more baby hairs. I'd be afraid to take away my hair. I'd be feeling like it'll bald out faster, especially the frontals. They bald out so quickly. I'm just gonna spiral my hair, not spiral, but use my wand curler. You see him smiling in the background? You see that? Yeah, he does that a lot. Alright, so we're going to do my makeup. I'm using the Graftobian HD Cream as my foundation and my concealer and my contour. So I'm just using the color closest to my skin tone. And I'm going to mix that with my MAC Next to Nothing foundation. It's not really a foundation because it's like a BB cream. It's very, very lightweight. And I just use it for moisture. I like my foundation to be dewy, so I love mixing that in to kind of make my foundation or whatever else I'm using on my face a little bit more dewy finish. And it just adds more moisture to it. I don't like dry ass foundation. We don't like that. That's cakey. Alright, I'm going to go back in the same Graftobian palette. The same Graftobian palette. And use that as my concealer and my contour. And I'm just going to blend that out while my face is still watching Brave. I've been watching Disney Plus like the whole time I was filming this thing. And it took me 5 hours to film this because I had to deal with him in between. Like, Lord, y'all, ooh, child, it is difficult with a baby to record. Alright, so I'm just blending this out with a damn beauty blender. I think it's a beauty blender. Oh, no, it's a Real Techniques blender. Sorry about that. And I'm going to use my MAC Mineral Light Skin Finish to buff it all out together. And going back in using my Anastasia Glow Kit. And adding some highlight on my face to make it look more fresh and more dewy. You don't want to pile up too much. Now, this is like my everyday face. This is the face I usually go for when I just want simple makeup with no eyeshadow. And this is just water. And I'm going to go back in with my Anastasia lip palette. And I don't know what colors it is because I done mixed all these colors together and just created my own. So I don't know what to tell you, sis. I'm just using a regular brown liner from the beauty supply store. I think it's by NYX. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's by Crown Case. So I'm going to fluff out my hair by just running my fingers through it just to loosen up the curls a bit. And I'm going to add some more curls back in because they did fall while I was doing my makeup. Because like I said, this was over a span of 5 hours I recorded this video. Like, who does that? I'm going to use my little cheap ass top comb to try to flatten out my lace front as best possible. I'm going to get another one, y'all. I'm going to get the one by Andy's off of Amazon because I heard that was really good. But that golden hot one, I heard so many bad reviews on. If y'all got any suggestions for a really good hot comb, let me know in the comments below so I can check that out because I need a new one. Alright, so here's my finished look. Looking cute, looking cute. If y'all like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and turn on that bell notifications at the bottom of the video to make sure you keep up with the video uploads that I have every week. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and my look for every day. I'll see y'all later. Bye.